Welcome to DBC Diaries episode 25. Today you're going to see returning patient Roger and his wife coming back for treatment. They first came to us back in 2021. Roger was having some knee problems. A friend of his had recommended us because we had fixed his friend's knees, and he came. And when he came, he's in this big boot type of thing, covering his knee, helping out with mobility. He was in bad shape. And he's been good ever since. He's just doing now just to get touch up, get things just redone so he can get back out there and continue the progression of his knees regenerating. He came back a couple years ago also for the IV treatment because he was feeling so good with his knees. He figured, let's do the body too. So Roger's back again, and he's going to share his experience with mesenchymal stem cells in hopes that it can help some of you out there. Knees are one of the most common things we treat here at Dream Body Clinic. It seems like people's knees almost always eventually go out. And with that, it's a very easy, simple procedure, as you're going to see in this video. So stay tuned, take a look at Roger's experience here at Dream Body Clinic. I'm Josh, happy to help. DBC Diaries Day 1. So, today is the first day. Roger and his wife are arriving, and our drivers are going to meet him right inside the airport at the information booth and find him there. They're going to take him to the area where the taxis are at and get him a ride to their hotel. So from there, they're going to go and rest and get ready for the next day. We always recommend that people stop eating by at least midnight the night before. So this night, they don't want to eat anything after midnight. And make sure they're fasted in the morning. Drink plenty of water for the blood draw, but just no eating after midnight. We're gonna go from there and get ready with treatment. DBC Diaries Day 2. All right, so this morning the driver's gonna go pick them up, get them, and bring them to the clinic where our nurses will be waiting. They're gonna do basic analysis, blood pressure, height, weight, and then do the blood draw, so we have that for analysis. And then when that's done, Roger's gonna go up to our MRI machine here on site, get his MRIs done. Each area takes about 45 minutes. So if you're doing one knee, it's a 45-minute, just kind of sit still and go. If you're doing two, well, it's back to back, about 45 minutes, so an hour and a half. So each space takes about that long, but that's how we get the real images, the best images, so you can see the cross sections, everything that's going on. MRIs aren't the most fun things, but luckily we have an open MRI on site, which makes it very easy and convenient. So we'll get those results tomorrow, and when the MRIs are done, we're gonna take Roger and his wife back to the hotel so they can rest and relax and go from there. DBC Diaries Day 3. So today is consultation day. We're gonna sit down, we're gonna go over all of the MRIs, we're gonna go over blood work, make sure that the patients understand everything and where they're at. And look, we wanna help everyone, but there are cases where we can't. In fact, you're gonna see that here with Roger's wife. We did the analysis, we looked at the MRI, and unfortunately, her neck was in a place that we weren't gonna be able to help. Typically, where we can't help is when we start seeing osteophytes, if we see full thickness tears, this sort of damage or new bone creation we can't get rid of or we can't heal. So we're very straightforward with patients. We'll always tell you if we can or cannot help, or at least if we think that we can, and go from there. And so with Roger, we're gonna go over all of his. Fortunately, his knees are looking much better than almost 4 years ago, and he's ready for treatment. So docs will explain that and then prepare for treatment the next day.
So now we have the results from the MRI from Roger, and I'm going to explain to him during the consultation the results, and we need to tell him if he is candidate or not for the treatments.
DBC Diaries Day 4. treatment day. So today, Roger and his wife coming in, and it's a very simple treatment. You come in, the docs just make sure you don't have any extra questions. If you do, we go over them. If not, we get into treatment room. The doctors sanitize everything, get things going, and then administer the stem cells. It's probably one of the most anticlimactic treatments there is. It's a really quick injection, doesn't hurt at all, very simple. And a lot of patients are worried that it's gonna hurt. I think mentally, it probably hurts more than physically. It's very simple. And very, very rare does a patient have any pain after. It's very rare. We do give everyone some Tramadol, which is Tylenol with Tramadol, just in case they have any pain, but almost nobody has to use that. It's very simple. You come in, quick injection, and you're like, really? That's all I had to do to fix my knees? So it's a very simple treatment. The recovery process, typically we see peak results 3 to 6 months post-treatment, so the toughest part is waiting. We recommend patients take the first 2 weeks, no major activities, then start a physical rehab protocol that we provide. We do recommend if you can get a real physical therapist to help you out locally, you get even better results quicker, but our protocol is easy enough to do at home. It's a 4-week protocol, so really from treatment day for the next 6 weeks, no major activities or exercise, and then once those 6 weeks are up, people can get back at it. The tricky part is that you'll be physically capable. You're gonna walk out of treatment room feeling basically the same. So physically you could, but we want the cells to target the inflamed areas. We don't want to inflame new areas from exercise and have the cells go there. We want them focused where the main inflammation is, and that takes time to start guiding the repair process. The cells will start seeking out scar tissue, they'll start seeking out damage, and when they get that scar tissue, they're going to guide the removal of it. Once it's gone, they can start healing the underlying tissues. They're going to influence the immune system to protect the area and make sure that inflammation is being controlled properly. And it takes time, and usually around 3 to 6 months, people start feeling peak benefits, the pain's gone, and they're good to go. And the good part is it lasts, which Roger is a great example of that. Look, it's been almost 4 years since he did treatment. He's still doing great. He didn't have to do treatment again, but he wants to. He wants to make sure that he gets it all the way and that he never has that kind of pain in his knees again, which is very smart. I feel like more people should be proactive, come before it hurts too much, so that we can make sure that you've got longevity, you've got mobility, and mobility equals longevity in the long run. So that's what we do here. Now you'll see me and Roger talking about treatment, and we'll go from there.
During the interview with Roger, his wife is having an MRI of her neck.
All right, welcome to DBC Diaries, episode 25. I'm here with returning patient Roger. Hello, Roger. How you doing?
Pretty good. Yeah, pretty good.
Great. Glad to see you here again. So I think this is your third trip here?
Fourth trip here. Yeah.
Getting there. Okay, great. Mm-hmm. So it's been a few years, done a few different things. We just did your knees today.
Yes, you're done.
How did it all start? What got you here originally?
Originally, probably back in the middle of 2021, my knee started to go downhill really quickly. Went to the doctor in July, and I go to the chiropractor every month. So I talked to my chiropractor, and he said, you know what? I know a guy that went down somewhere and got stem cells. I'll see if I can get a hold of him and see how he made out. So he did. And he said, yeah, his knees have been good ever since. But I don't think his knees were as bad as mine. And I got to slow down and take it easy on my body a little bit more to make it last longer. But it's so far so good. Like, I'm happy with the results that I've been getting, because when I was wearing these big long knee braces before I came down here the first time.
Yeah.
And I left them, I put them back in the box.
That's awesome.
Yeah, put them back in the box. And this is still almost going on the 4th year now, right?
Yeah.
Third.
Amazing.
So far so good.
All right. So get the knees better. And you've done the IV with us also. And what did you notice with that? Anything?
That's interesting, because I was thinking, okay, maybe my IV was running out when my knee started feeling bad.
Oh, okay.
Or not this time.
Yeah.
When my knee started feeling bad this time. Okay, so is my IV gone, or is it just the knees are going downhill again? But no, it was the IV. I think it kind of pricked me up for quite a while. Yeah. I got to the point between the IV and the injections in my knees that there was no pain. I was back to normal again.
Oh, that's huge.
It was for me.
Man, so in your case, and this is why we always do MRIs, I mean, we actually haven't seen like major change as far as the knees. You know, it's been minimal there, but it's gotten rid of the inflammation, you know, because I remember the first MRIs, it was just, yeah, your knee was huge. There were tons of inflammation, all of that. So we've been gotten it at bay, and, you know, now we're working on like regenerating the cartilage, getting things back to where they should be. It does, you know, we wish everyone was like one and done, but when it's as bad as, you know, where you were at or other people, it can take more than one treatment. That's just the reality of it. Stem cells are awesome, but they're not magic. You know, we always let people know that. And if you're willing to take the time, do the effort and do it, you can. But I mean, you've got like, you know, big company you're running around. So, you know, it's tough to stay off the knees in those cases when you're working all the time, right?
I don't have the time to sit and get new knees and spend 6 months sitting down. And
yeah, that's a great point too.
I don't have the time for that right now.
I think people don't think about the downtime you have to take if you go get those surgeries and what it means to, it hits every aspect of your life. So
Exactly. So
that's always been our goal, is to try to help people avoid surgery if we can. I mean, there's cases where we can't, but we do our best to filter that out, let people know if we can help or not, and take it from there. So, no, thanks so much. Thanks for coming again. Thanks for sharing. And if you'd like to learn more about mesenchymal stem cells, please get a hold of us. You can go to the website at www.dreambody.clinic. Scroll down, you'll see the need treatments listed on the front page with all the other treatments. You can click. Information's there, prices, all of it. And you can call us toll free at 833-445-9089. I'm Josh. Happy to help. DBC Diaries Day 5. All right, treatment's done. Roger came, had a good time in Puerto Vallarta. This is tropical paradise. So many fun things to do in the sun here. So you get a good trip out of it too, bit of a vacation while you're getting your treatment. Fixed him up again, and we're hoping the next time we see him, it's just for some sort of touch-up thing like anti-aging, as he's done in the past. A lot of patients come back to us on a yearly basis with the IVs or facial treatments just to keep the longevity aspect going, feel good, keep their immune system in check, and get all those anti-aging benefits. And our drivers are going to get Roger from his hotel. They're going to get him to the airport. He can get home and go from there. So if you've got questions about stem cells, get a hold of us. You can call us at 833-445-9089. It's a toll-free number, or you can check out our website at www.dreambody.clinic. I'm Josh, happy to help.